Here comes your cereal. This is your favorite. Mmm. Mmm. You want some more? Ready? Mmm. Want some more? Ow. Is that good? Need some more? You like your cereal? Okay, now we'll give you a little taste of cream of wheat for the camera. Ow. Oh, that's good stuff, huh? Would you like a mystery taste? Oh, yeah. Oh, is that good? Oh, yeah. Okay. Here comes regular cereal again. That's your favorite. Okay, regular cereal. Here you go. Let me get the cream of wheat off your face. Now here's the regular cereal. Here you go. Wow. That's your favorite. The end. That's good. Whoops. I spilt all over. You want some more cream of wheat? I could get you some. It's coming as fast as I can. Here comes another one. We're gonna have to switch to cream of wheat. Mmm. Okay, here it is. You want more? I have regular cream of wheat or a mix. Here's a little cream of wheat. Mmm, there's the face. All right, buddy.